Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a simple payslip for a list of employees in an organization. In this Excel file, I have created a sample payslip with the details of the employees, their salary deductions. For example, if we change 1004 employee ID, the details will be changed here. Net pay will be 9256.50, and again if we change 1008, we can see the net pay is changed, and the amount in here, it will be written like 10,616.80 and 25 fields. And by clicking generate payslip, a single button, the payslip will be generated in a folder, and we can access the folder by this is the payslip which we created right now. I will show you. And I do change. If we change to another employee ID, let's say 1006 Rachel Green, every details are changed in the payslip. And if we click on the generate payslip, payslip has been created in this folder. And as you can see on the right side, for the Rachel Green, the PDF file of the payslip is generated. See, 11556 will change it to 1009 David Lee, generate payslip. Okay, David Lee has been created here. In here, the data has been pulled from a sheet here. It's salary sheet, and the salary sheet has employee ID, name of the employee, then basic salary, and OT hours, OT rate. And OT hours is like the number of hours the employee has taken the OT, and OT rate will be the AED per hour, how much amount will be paid for the employee per hour. And incentive will be a number, house rent allowance, late marks. It will be how much time employee got late in a single day. And absent days, it is a number of days employees are absent. And the loan is it is the loan amount which has to be paid to the company by the employee if the employee has taken any loan. OT amount is the overtime amount. So basically, from here to here, this section has to be updated manually if we want to. You can see OT amount will be calculated with OT hours and OT rate. So 10 into 25, which is 250. For the late deduction, will be calculated by basic salary, which is C2, and 480. 480 means 8 hours into 60 minutes, which is 480 minutes. So this is how the late deduction is calculated. And for the absent deduction, of course, it is absent days into basic salary. These two are the deductions, and this is the total deduction. Total deduction will be absent deduction plus late deduction plus the loan amount. So for the net salary, basic salary plus incentive plus house rent allowance plus OT amount. Then deduction will be minus, which is in N2. So this is N2, the total deduction will be minus, and we get the net salary. This payslip is generated for the month of May. If we change the month May to June 25, the number of working days will be changed because June has only 30 days. If we do Control D, the working days will change here because June has only 30 days. And this is the designation and the department. This date of joining has to be entered manually, and it will be constant throughout the whole period because it will not change. And in the payslip area, as I told you before, if I change the employee ID, every data in here changes. I did an XLOOKUP to the employee ID, and every data is being pulled from the salary sheet. Employee ID, then employee name and the department sales, and even though deductions, amount and everything. And I did calculate the total deductions here by doing a sum on the total deductions, and the earnings I did sum here. Then the net pay, which I did total earnings minus total deductions. So I got the total net pay, and I got the total amount written in words, 9,235 AED and 75 fields. If I do change the employee ID, we can see 1008 10613.25, which has to given for Priya Nair, who is working in the department finance, and 10613.25 is 10,613 AED and 25 fields. So by clicking generate payslip, The Priya Nair payslip has been generated in the folder, and if we go to the folder Priya Nair, see, we can see the Priya Nair, and I will provide a link in the description where you can download this sample Excel file. So this is very easy method by clicking generate payslip only, and also you can edit the data as well by adding new rows, and just add employee ID 120, adding 100233456. Automatically the ID's employee ID will be added here. See, you can see 1234566 is got added here. If you click on this 123, everything will be blank because we didn't enter the data here. If you are adding the data, maybe RAM household allowance is 2000. 10 minutes late, absent days will be automatically, every details has been updated here accordingly. And for the working days, we do Control D, and the date of joining maybe same date. He is a sales executive and he is in sales department. So for RAM, we can check 123587 is his employee ID. We go to payslip 123587, click here. So details has been you can see the basic salary 2000 and deduction everything has came here. Employee name Ram, got the net pay 17783. If you're going to salary sheet 17783.33, it's the same. And you can download this Excel file from the description, and you can add as many rows and details you want. So that's all for the video. If you do like this video, please do like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.